Breaking out of a financial rut. Strategies for success. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into an important and very practical phrase, in a financial rut. Understanding such expressions can not only enhance your English skills but also offer insights into everyday challenges people face. So, let's explore what this phrase means, why it's significant, and how you can use it in real-life contexts. In a financial rut means being stuck in a situation where your financial condition is not improving. It's like being in a deep track that you cannot easily get out of. This phrase metaphorically describes a period where someone experiences no positive change or growth in their finances, often feeling trapped by their current economic circumstances. To illustrate, imagine someone who has been working the same job for years, with no raise or promotion, struggling to pay off debts or save money. They might say, "I'm really in a financial rut." This expression conveys not just their stagnant financial status but also a sense of frustration and desire for change. You can use "in a financial rut" in various contexts. Describing personal experiences. After paying off my student loans for years, I still feel like I'm in a financial rut. In professional settings, a financial advisor might tell a client, "Let's find strategies to get you out of this financial rut." Writing and conversation. This phrase is versatile, suitable for both formal and informal situations to discuss financial challenges. While identifying the problem is crucial, finding solutions is equally important. Here are a few tips. Reevaluate your budget. Look for areas where you can cut expenses. Seek additional income sources. Consider part-time jobs or freelance work. Set clear financial goals. Having specific objectives can motivate you to make necessary changes. Seek professional advice. Sometimes, talking to a financial advisor can offer new perspectives and strategies. We hope this video has not only helped you understand what it means to be in a financial rut, but also inspired you to think about ways to improve your financial situation or help others do the same. Remember, learning English isn't just about vocabulary and grammar. It's also about connecting with real-life experiences and challenges. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more helpful content.